welcome to Run Around Deals. Today I'm going to be reviewing this automatic door lock that I got. Really great. It comes with detailed installation instructions. Really simple. I did it myself. Comes with everything here, and it's really simple to use. You can program up to 20 user codes, and each code can have up to 6 digits. So it's really great, really simple. This is perfect. So when the kids come home, they don't need, if they forget their keys, it does come with 4 keys, but if somebody forgets their keys, you don't need a key to open the door. So this is perfect. So really simple to use. I'm going to show you when you leave the house, you close the door and you lock the door. So now it's deadbolted and you can turn all you want and it's not going to open the door. In order to open the deadbolt, you can either use the key or you put in your code. You press 3 fingers on the screen and then you type in your code. I'm going to put the user, the one that comes with it is 0000, and then you turn it. I took too long, so it locked. So I'll do it again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it opens. So now you turn it and the door is open and you can open your door freely. Super easy to use. It takes 4 AA batteries in the back. You can lock it from the inside as well, and from the outside again. You know, as you can see, nobody can open it. You can open it from the inside also, or lock it. And again, somebody comes in, and that's it. So super simple, love it. It looks really nice and modern. Highly recommend it. Super easy and looks amazing. So I hope you enjoy. Bye.